steamed mussels and clams, and I'll be serving it with spaghettini for my beautiful parents. This recipe, we first had it in Porto, Portugal. Delicious. Hi everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Well, today I have my beautiful parents coming for lunch, and I thank God every time I'm able to say those words. And my papa requested my steamed mussels and clams on spaghetti. And I said, no problem. Really simple to prepare. Now let's get started. You're going to need a nice big pot, something very similar to this, and over medium heat, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. If you love mussels and clams together, you're going to love this recipe. We first had it in Porto, Portugal last year with my sister-in-law Arzu and my brother-in-law Vidat. Delicious. The oil is heated. I'm going to add 2 chopped shallots. Saute them for a couple of minutes until they're soft. My shallots are nice and soft. I'm going to add 2 chopped garlic cloves, and I'm just going to saute them for 1 minute. As soon as they become fragrant, I'm going to add the passata. 2 cups of passata. 1.5 cups of Chardonnay wine. I'm going to allow this to cook for at least 15 minutes. The sauce has reduced, and now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. 1 tablespoon of sriracha or any hot sauce that you like. 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This will take away the acidity from the tomatoes. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Tablespoon of lemon zest. I always add lemon to my fish dishes, always. Tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I've already cleaned my mussels and I'm checking them. Now if you see any open that don't close when you tap them, you must chuck them. That means that they're dead. Here's an opened one. I'm going to tap it and see if it closes. It closed, it means it's still alive. Same principle with the clams. If they don't, you see this one just closed immediately, that means that it's fine. If it doesn't close, you must chuck them. Add the mussels and the clams. Oh my goodness, how beautiful. And I'm going to say it, if you could only smell my kitchen. Cover, allow them to steam for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Once all the clams have opened and the mussels, you know it's ready. Let's check on our mussels and, oh, look how beautiful. Well, the mussels have opened. I think the clams need a couple of more minutes, so we're going to wait. Look how beautiful, and it's ready. The final touch, 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm just going to mix it in. It's going to make the sauce really nice and silky. I'm going to taste this for you. Like I told you earlier, I will be pairing spaghettini when my parents get here because they love this on top of the spaghettini. Oh my goodness. So good. The sauce is unbelievable. Oh my goodness, I'm right back in Porto, Portugal. I can't stop eating. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Katerina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao! So good! Ma bella, che sei la più bella del mondo. How do you like the spaghetti with mussels and clams? Do you like it now? Delicious? Very delicious? Good. It's a nice Sunday lunch. But what do you think? Do you like the spaghetti with the clams and the mussels? How is it, Mom? Delicious? you like it? Oh, I'm so glad. Happy Sunday.